Just back from New York, and I learned a couple things. I learned a lot of things, but one of the things I learned is that y'all are looking for always great basics. And I had these at the store, so I decided this was a perfect time. So if you didn't go to New York with us, we can have great basics. So look at these. These are just like this is like a white Pontoroma, but it's mostly cotton. It's got a little tiny poly. It's stretched in both directions. It's beautiful. You can see you can't see through it, so it's a beautiful white. It's for those pants. It's for those spring pants. We're going to do everything today at $12.99, just like as if you were in New York. And it's just simply lovely. It's really, really pretty. And then this is going to go with it because this is a cotton poly. Stretches in both directions. It's like an ITY. Isn't that great? Just beautiful hand, beautiful drape. It's got a royal blue, which I've got next to it also, and then the white. So if you wanted to do 3 pieces, it would be really pretty. This is actually a stretch woven. So it has stretch in one direction, which means it has a little bit of more of a hand to it. It'd be great for yoga pants. Not leggings, you need stretch in both directions for leggings, but this does have a really nice stretch in one direction, so it'd be really great for yoga pants, or a little jacket, or sheath, any of those things. This is black, as you can see, 100% cotton. This was like what everybody was going for, and I kept thinking, oh my, they kept saying, where do I find it? I'm like, at my store. But anyway, so I brought it here to put it on for you this morning. It has stretch in both directions, 100% cotton. And need I say more? It's just a beautiful drape, and $12.99. It's just a giveaway. I have here plaid, and I love this plaid. Great for a shirt. It's 100% cotton. It has the black, it has a navy, and it has this forest green. So I put the 2 colors. I didn't have a navy, I had the royal. But I went ahead and put this plaid up because it's so great for spring. It's light, it's 100% cotton. It just really works well. And then this is beautiful forest green. It has stretch in both directions. It's mostly cotton. It's got a little bit of poly in it, but you can see it's just got a great hand. Yoga pants, leggings, a pair of leggings with a cute little long shirt over it would be casual and yet just perfect. And again, everything today is $12.99. And the goal is to have happy sewing. So welcome back everybody from New York, even those who didn't go. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.